the good news. Ang ganda naman ng nag-ano. But
sexy mo naman.
No, I don't want to be lying down, but makikita yung bilbil.
Where did you come from?
We came from this is like a
event. It's like a lecture. You have to give a talk.
And then you have a talk?
For you or for Kelly? Me. Wow. And she joined with us.
Wow, naman. Special guest.
Special guest. Alright, so I'll put...
I've done this several times, and each time we do it, I get excited for the results.
Yeah, I like it. You like the results?
I like the baby skin, the redness, and
the exfoliation.
Yeah.
And then you see how the skin becomes nice
new
and
again, yeah.
glowing, right? Okay, so I'm gonna apply it all over Gretchen's face. Yeah, so it's like peanut butter. I call this like peanut butter. Parang ako naglalagay ng peanut butter sa sandwich. This is the area where normally we get pigmentation.
Not allowed to go under the sun.
Yeah, but yun nga lang, Gretch, you can't go under the sun.
But just my body can, no?
Yeah, of course. Just the face, be careful. So,
what happened?
Well, kasi you're red and raw. So, mas prone ka to
burning, no?
Yes, agree. So, forehead is an area where you have to put, kasi sometimes our forehead doesn't peel high. It's the last thing. Yeah. Kaya sometimes.
Pag Netflix ka na, if you just watch Netflix before you know it, it's okay, time to watch. Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. But there's a nice one, Geek Girl. It's nice.
Yeah. Geek Girl.
Cute. Yeah, it's cute.
Why? Why is it cute?
It's like light. It's British.
What is this?
It's the new injectable for glowing skin. This is nice, Gretch. You can try this. Nice.
Maybe after.
Yes, after, yeah. We'll do this, yeah. You have to try this. Yeah, nice. Very nice.
Are you serious?
Nice.
Unless you want to kiss me.
Kiss me.